Come, guys, let's
go up and
see. Let's take you upstairs. The house, guys, the house is still empty, but we're doing something about it. Let's go.
Give me the camera. I be one to be among the Lekki husbands.
Come upstairs. Come to my mansion upstairs.
Come, guys, let's go.
Wow.
Okay.
Be careful. This is one of the rooms. Yeah. So they're making another. They're putting an AC. They're just trying to get AC connection. Yeah. Cables.
You say now, this one,
that is.
if you build your house by yourself, you get something.
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
This is beautiful. Okay. This is
Yeah.
Madam.
Wow.
Don't put me in pressure. This is so fun. I don't want to get out.
Yeah.
This is room. Is this one and that room?
Yeah. Okay, madam room. This room is okay, madam room.
6 months, we're not going to kill me.
Oh my God. Don't put me in pressure. Don't put me in pressure.
TV is there. TV is there. Protection.
This is beautiful. Wow. Close your eyes. I want to change that.
They didn't fix that one.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is was.
Let me tell you that the beauty of the space. You give the audience, our wives, Lekki wives. You know the beauty of my woman. Why are you capture?
He's the speaker, yeah. He's the speaker, yeah.
Let me tell you that the beauty of this place. You know this is master's bedroom. Abi?
Yes, it's master's bedroom, yeah.
Now, the beauty of this is, where's the bed?
It's for okay, madam. He's here. Yeah, it will be here. The head is here.
Yeah. You know why I said it?
Okay, it feels like this.
The spirit is talking. As the spirit is talking, then you are cutting it.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. So, when the bed is like this, I see my. Ooh.
Hey, Obiakwa.
The bed is like this.
Obiakwa.
I see my. Olivia.
What did you see in spirit? Tell us what you see in spirit.
And Mr. The husband was smiling.
Easy. Ugo, easy. Take him easy.
I'm not taking it easy. I'm saying he gets tired for the leg.
Which kind? Hey.
No, he gets tired for the leg. Baby, no gets tired for the leg. He's not gets tired for the leg. He's not gets tired for the leg.
Thank you so much. Yeah, they can see. Yeah, we're gonna put a curtain, big curtain here. In 2 days' time, they're gonna put curtain. Yes, in 2 days' time, they're bringing the curtain, so that they won't see us from outside. Yeah, it's remote. This one is remote. Yeah, this one is remote because it's big cutting.
That's so.
It's going to be remote. Yeah.
Wait, calm down. For your mind, it is a married village. But this woman, it's going to be a local wife.
Wait it up.
I said for your mind now, you married village woman.
The eye can't just steer.
But
Sure?
for a year, this is the international.
No. Now what's now in here?
Yes, sir. We are really grateful to our wives.
Yeah,
Very, very grateful. We are blessed to have our beautiful wives. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our 3 beautiful wives. What happened? What happened? What is happening?
What just happened? Let's go.
Let's go.
We are here to eat lumber fish. What's the name of this place?
No. Forget the man. We don't have to
Okay, we are here to have fun.
We are visiting
Let's
here. We
eat.
visited
Let's
here
go and
before,
eat.
So we're taking Olivia and the family later.
Thank
to
you.
go and test the food.
Any new base in town must come here.
Must come here. Our new spot.
Yes, sir.
Family is everything.
Our beautiful wives.
Family is everything.
Eh?
Family
Yes,
is
sir.
everything.
Thank you.
Ain't coming.
I'm here.
Join them, please.
I'm here. I'm hiding here.
You are hiding. Coçando. Incoming.
Kasongo, yes.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
You guys.
Why are you laughing at what? At you.
Nice place.
Yeah.
Hey, there's no seat for me.
Oh,
Sorry.
our guys, what are you guys doing?
I can see the camera flying everywhere.
How about
Nobody should video.
Nobody should record me.
No recording.
Nobody
allowed.
should record me.
No recording allowed.
Okay, permit the record.
Everybody,
Yeah.
video.
Yeah,
Only
video,
this night.
video,
Only
video,
this
video.
night.
Only this night.
Only video.
Nice one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ndi ọma lọọlọ.
Yeah, my Lord. I love that. No problem. He knows what to do. Only on the video. This is how you very good. I know that it's not really. It's not.
You are not
That's
sure.
the way you know. I don't know now.
Stop it. I couldn't want
So we have Mona here, Gold, and Benjamin, not Benjamin, yeah?
Benjamin, no.
Benjamin.
It's time for them to video us too.
Yes.
They are not in this game.
Only take.
We're not in this game.
This is what we do, so not make sense.
Take it. It's time for
Children put for here. We have
Nothing will happen. We didn't.
Madam, it's time for you to video us too.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's time to use for video us too because we are not in this. I don't know. People will think that we don't have visa.
People will think we are not here.
People will think that we don't have visa.
We don't need this.
And we don't have passport. Or illegal immigrants. No, we are not.
We're not illegal immigrants. Yeah, so
Yeah, we have the
we're here to enjoy life or to enjoy the day.
Look at them. See how their forehead is shining. We are taking good care of them. Look
Let's have
one for
We
road.
just want to have one for road. Ask them.
Ask us what we are drinking.
Tire. They don't even ask us.
Can we just ask them what they want?